Cinco de Mayo is right around the corner, and if you're able to gather with family and friends safely, no fiesta is complete without guacamole. To help get your guac on, chef and Patty's Mexican table star Pati Jinich shares some delicious recipes. Thanks for being here.
Thank you so much for having me today. No Cinco de Mayo gathering is complete with a big bowl of guacamole. And my go-to brand for any Cinco gathering, or really every day, is avocados from Mexico avocados, because our avocados are always fresh, delicious, and always in season. And you can use them in so many ways. You can make different kinds of guacamole, like this dill pickle guacamole, fresh, crunchy, delicious, and it uses dill, which is so hot right now in the culinary scene. We have the spicy 3-pepper and cayenne guacamole, which uses serranos, jalapenos, Anaheim, and a dash of rustic smoky cayenne. We have some pork quesadillas with a sloppy Joe kind of feeling, with pork, mango, habanero, and brie cheese tucked into flour tortillas. And then we also have some traditional chicken taquitos that have refried beans, chicken, some melty cheese, and get drizzled with an avocado crema for a change. You can go for all of these recipes and more to avocadosfrommexico.com.
Well, happy Cinco de Mayo, Patty. For See What's Portland, I'm Nicole DeCosta.